Forgot your Hikvision DVR password? Don't panic. If your device is connected to HikConnect, this is the fastest reset method.
On the login screen, click Forgot Password.
Choose Verify by HikConnect or Reserved Email.
A QR code will now appear on your screen. Open the HikConnect app, go to Reset Device Password, and scan the QR code. Enter the verification code from the app back into your recorder. Create a new secure password. Your device is now unlocked. Download and install the Hikvision SADP tool on a Windows computer connected to the same network.
Open the tool and select your device.
Click Forgot Password and export the XML file. Email the XML file to Hikvision support or your local dealer. Once you receive the reset file, import it and create a new password.